all. Thank you so much for taking time to come over and visit with me over on Fritz Rochester's Heating and Air's YouTube channel. I'm Fritz Rochester. I'm a licensed HVAC master contractor right here in Louisville, Kentucky, guys. What we're going to do is head over here to my R.E. Michael, my American Standard distributor, and get us some equipment for an install. We're going to get us a furnace, AC, and a coil, and a bunch of other parts. Alright guys, I think we got it loaded up pretty good here. I still need to get some duct work. We got our line set, our coil, our furnace, our AC. I'd say she's pretty much full. Alright guys.